What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome to our next Shopify Masterclass series. Now, in this video, I want to actually speak to those that are on a tight and limited budget, but still really want to pursue on being an entrepreneur and creating a Shopify business. Now, seriously, here's the deal. Right now, we are in the best time across history for anyone to actually become a successful entrepreneur. There are so many technologies and solutions out there for anyone to actually get started. But it all boils down into one thing, which is, are you going to be taking action, or are you rather going to just watch your favorite TV show, right? That's really the main difference right now. But again, for those of you that are like, I really want to start an online business, I really want to start with Shopify, but I don't know how. I don't have a lot of cash for me to get started. So first thing first, if you don't even have $100, don't even think about starting your own store, okay? You should actually have at least $100 to get started. Because remember, you are building a business, and business needs cash. So if you don't even have $100 in your credit card or in your wallet, seriously, I would actually say just start building your business on Instagram and do a lot of posting so that you are not really requiring a lot of capital or cash up front. Now, for those of you that say, okay, I have $100, how should I be spending these $100 to start my business? So in all honesty, I'm gonna break it down for you, okay? I'm gonna actually strip to the super basic for you to actually generate your first sale without all the other crazy apps out there, okay? So if you have $100, here's how I would spend it, okay? First, obviously, you need to get a Shopify account. Now, a Shopify account, all you really need is the $29 a month one, okay? Just get the $29 a month. You don't need the $79. You don't need the crazy $199 one. Just get the $29, okay? So now you're obviously left with $71. What do you do next? Now, when it comes to Shopify, there are some apps that you need to pay. Some apps you don't need to pay anything. But one app that you must have for you to actually get an ROI instantly is the abandonment carts, okay? I cannot stress how important this is. It's called the Abandonment Protector. It is only $8. So out of all the apps that are paid out there, one that I absolute must have if I were to actually spend this $100, this $8 a month is well worth it, okay? A lot of people simply just leave your cart for no reason, but this will actually recover your sale. Potentially just one sale, we're already paid off this app itself. So now we are at $37. What do I do next? Well, you need products to sell and you need a logo. So when it comes to logo, you don't want to actually spend a lot of time and a lot of money to actually get a logo done. Simply just Fiverr it. Get something simple that you need, right? So a logo, it's gonna cost you $5 on Fiverr, okay? Now, the last piece that you need is obviously a domain. You don't wanna actually just advertise off of a Shopify domain. That is pretty much a newbie mistake that a lot of people make. You want to actually have a proper web address. So a domain will cost you around $10, depending on where you buy it. You can buy it within the Shopify portal, you can buy it on GoDaddy, and here's a hack for you. If you want to save a little bit more money, simply go to Google and type in GoDaddy coupon. There's going to be a lot of coupons out there, and at times you can actually get a domain name for as cheap as $5 a year, okay? But again, that's up to you. I'm just going to say on average it's $10. So if we add all these up, 29 plus 8 is 37. 37 plus 5 equals to 42. 42 plus 10 is equal to 52 bucks, okay? The $52 is basically just to get the ball rolling. Now, remember, when it comes to Shopify, you should start with drop shipping. So you don't have to obviously invest into any products, into any inventory. You're simply just grabbing the images, grabbing the information, and actually selling that product itself. So with that being said, we are still left with simply $48. This $48, if I were to basically only have $100, what would I do with the remaining 48? I would invest it all into running Facebook ads. Just create $5 a day assets and start looking at the data to see what product is sticking, right? You can set up if you set up a $5 a day ad, okay? And with 48 bucks, you can literally have, I would say, 9 different products that you can test at $5 each to see what is working and what is not. And based on the data point, for example, the click-through rates, the CPC, and the cost per purchase, if the number actually pans out right, guess what? It's like you going into gambling. You put all hands into that product and scale it, and that $100 will eventually turn into something that is outrageous. But again, if I were to only have $100, and for anyone that are starting with a very limited budget, this is how I would get started, okay? I would invest as much as possible, which is right now, if I were to have all these basics, $48 right into ads to see what is going on. Now, if you can actually set aside $100 each month, okay, I know that some of you guys may be working a 9-to-5 grind, some of you guys may be getting allowance from your parents, doesn't matter. If you can allocate $100 a month, just take that $100 and do this. Seriously, just do this. And with all this, these are one-time payment for a year. This is one-time payment for a year. So in reality, if you were to allocate $100 a month just to invest, not to put it into your piggy bank, because due to inflation, that money is worthless to you a couple years down, you want to actually start investing into a business. So because these two are eliminated, you are going to have more money every single month and testing product. Once you found a product that works, all you got to do is simply just scale that ad and scale that product, okay? So again, this is how I would get started if you have only $100. And again, I'm just going to the super basics. There are so many things that you can add to make your store better. But do you need it right out of the gate if you have a limited budget? Not really. These are the basics that you need. So go ahead, don't just simply, wow, this is a great video, I can't believe I can start a business with $100. Do it. Okay, get a Shopify account, watch my other YouTube videos, watch other people's YouTube video, and seriously get started. There are a lot of content available online right now. You just have to take action. So seriously, go ahead, start building that business, stop dwelling on it, stop thinking about it, do it right now. And if you are going to start building your business, let me know right in the comment box, tell me that I'm in, okay? I'm in. So that I can actually hold you accountable for starting your very own business, all right? So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next episode.